Hi guys, Ralph here. Another video for you. I've got well, that's a mail went through the post, and we'll I'll unbag it together, I think. Right, first off, I think this should, I feel it right, yeah. I think this should have come from the UK, but apparently, I'm guessing not. So, let's get this thing open. Oh, I'm so strong. Right. Yeah. Heat sink cooling thermal conductive. Right, I need this for a project I've got. Apparently the address on this, the return to, is in Basildon. But it took over a week to go from Basildon up north. So I don't know. Right, all this is, I've got a graphics card which I want to upgrade. I have that. Now I've got a GTX 970, but I want to put this on to give it better cooling, and that goes with this. With water cooler. I've already got water cooler on my system anyway for the CPU, but I want the GPU to have a bit more of a cooler on it. I don't fully want to upgrade the graphics card just yet, so at the minute I'm going to go a different option, because the graphics card is perfectly fine. It's a really good graphics card. So that will be possibly this weekend's job. I mean, this is obviously goes between the chips just to give it some thermal protection when it's against this. So finally, it took forever. I actually ordered one of these before, and it never arrived at all. The person was apparently on eBay. The person was apparently on holiday. Yeah, so I couldn't really get in touch, but got money back, so that's good. I can start that project. Next one. Okay, good things do come in little packages. Let's have a look here. And oh, hello. Aha, good to have an invoice. Now these are the capacitors and the resistors that I need to finish. If you remember what this is, perhaps just getting that out probably better anyway. Because what I've done on the last video for the grandstand, Advent 3000, I don't know what you want to call it. I always used to call it grandstand, because back when I was a kid, grandstand was on the television, and it was a sports program. But yeah, I remember I burnt out one of the resistors. I'm not sure if this is the problem, but I was advised that a 10 ohm resistor, 10 ohm? Yeah, 10 ohm resistors would do pretty well. So I bought a few of them. It's going to burn out, and I recap it. Now these are there's only 3 capacitors on there anyway, so it's not exactly a big job. Look to the 2000, what Chrissy had given me a picture of, and it's completely different. The board, slightly for model up from, well, model down from this one, it's completely different. But there was a lot of different versions of these when they were being made, so I don't know. The grandstand was a UK version. Some other different French versions, American versions, Japanese. They're all exactly the same case and slightly different gubbins interior on it. But we can get on with that job now. I don't want to spend too much money on this if it's completely knackered. There was a battery leak in this, and it still does smell quite badly like battery. So I don't want to do too much, but it's good to have a good stock of some ohm resistors, 10 ohm capacitors, or microfarad, sorry, and 170 microfarad. If I'm wrong, please comment. That would be really good. And some 10 ohm resistors, and we'll see what we can do on this. If it don't work, I might consider. How about that for a handheld game? Think that'll work for a handheld console? Dubious Engineering did one out of a piece of wood, and I think it's probably smaller than that, but maybe I can hold it like that and put a joystick, some buttons. But screen would have to go over here, do a Raspberry Pi on it, but it might be too big to do Raspberry Pi on it. I've never done a Raspberry Pi. I only heard of Raspberry Pis 2 years ago. Went to Gadget Show Live. I just haven't got a clue what they were. Sorry, just no idea what they were, and this seemed quite versatile. So I'm gonna put a Retro Pi in it and see what's what. But at the minute, that's good. I can get this thing on the way. We can get another video put up this weekend over that one, I think, and see how things go. So anyway, that's it. Just the 2 mailbags, so I can start doing 2 projects. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to like and subscribe, there we go. Like and subscribe. Share and comment if you'd like. Patreon page, yada yada yada. If you've watched these before, you'll know the thing by now. If you want to follow me on Twitter, there's not much on there apart from just following other people at the minute. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.